Hey guys, I'm back at you with another YouTube video, and this one's about making a really simple JProgress bar using Java. So we're gonna create a new package for our organization, and we're gonna call this progress bar. And we have a class called main public static void main. I'm pretty sure if you're using clips or something like that. Checkbox public static void main thing, but here you cannot. Can I tell you idea? But it's just kind of annoying. Main string array args. I'm gonna make a thing of a class that we're gonna make called progress bar. We're gonna make an instance of that. So it's on. Now I'm actually gonna turn it off. Call this bar equals new progress bar. R. And let's make a new Java class called progress bar. The J frame, new J frame, and you need to import this if you do not already. If when I clicked enter for the suggestion that it gave me for J frame, automatically imported it for IntelliJ. Yeah, that's one good thing. And then J progress bar equals new J progress bar. And so now let's create the constructor for this class, progress bar. And we're going to create we're going to set up the progress bar. Set bounds 0, 0, 50, 50, progress bar dot set value to 0, progress bar dot set string painted to true. Right, and progress bar dot set foreground to new color. I think this is for red, for green, 25 to 55 and 0. Yep, got a green right there. And progress bar dot set backgrounds new color. And I'm gonna make this color dot black. Right, you don't want the new color there. Sorry about that. And now we're gonna create the frame, and frame dot set default close operation to 3. We're gonna put 3. Frame dot set layout to null. Frame dot set size to 450. 450. Frame dot set visible to true, and let's run this. And we get a frame. I want to add a background to this frame. Frame dot set background. I'm gonna set it to, I think I'll set it to a little bit of yellow, so enter some random RGB values there. New color. Man, I keep on messing up. My editor allows me to do this. I can just go really quickly and pick a color in here. But but if you're using a different editor than IntelliJ IDEA, then you gotta think this looks pretty nice. And you gotta enter these values. That is one other good thing about IntelliJ IDEA. I really highly recommend downloading it. It's a really nice editor. Yeah, I really highly recommend downloading. It's really nice, really comfortable, very user friendly, awesome user interface, very organized. Yeah, it's awesome. Anyways, getting back to this frame dot add progress bar, right? Yeah, it's called progress bar. Semicolon, and we're gonna run this. Okay, we got your progress bar right there. So we're gonna create this method called public void fill progress bar. And so it'll fill the progress bar. So we make int counter equals 0, and while counter less than or equal to 100, counter plus no, I'm messing up. It's supposed to be what's that method called? Progress bar dot set value to counter. And we're gonna do this thing called thread sleep, and for 1000 milliseconds, which is equal to 1 second. Thread sleep basically just waits and like sleeps the program, puts the program to sleep. And this thing, thread sleep, throws an exception. So we're gonna sound this with try/catch. So my editor, again, one nice thing about this thing, I just have to alt enter and click try/catch. If you saw that, if your editor doesn't do that, you just have to type all this in. So yeah, and then you go counter plus equals 1. So that's short for counter equals counter plus 1. So, and then we're gonna call the fill progress bar method. And let's try this bad boy out. And it's filling in a little by little, but I don't want to wait for that much time, so I'm gonna go 10. Right, and it just goes like that. To jazz things up a little, I think I'll go and change the font. So right before there, progress bar dot set font, new font, like ink free, font dot bold, and we're gonna set the size to 25. Try running this again. And yeah, we have our J progress bar. We have our J progress bar right there. Oh, there's one more thing I would like to add here to let you know that it's done. So progress bar dot set string to done when it's finished. And I'll just try this again. There we go. And so let's say I think I wanted to change the progress bar to change colors, right? Maybe when it reaches the half mark. So I'll just write a really quick if statement right here, and right here we're gonna write it right here in this while loop. I think it'll work in this while loop. Or you know what? I think I'll put it in the constructor. That'll be better. Yeah. Um. If uh progress bar. I think there's a method called get value. Yes. Equals 50. Or get string painted. I think that'll work better. Get string painted. Okay, so I think I'll just take a get value. Progress bar dot set foreground new color, and I just enter random RGB values right there again. Click on it and do some more RGB value. I think I'll change it to blue. I like this. So if your editor doesn't do this and do that kind of stuff, you just change the RGB values to 4, 0, and 255. Let's try running this again. No, it doesn't work. Oh, come on. Maybe I should put in this while loop. Maybe that would work better. Okay, yep, there we go. Alright, so that's how you create a really simple progress bar in Java. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. See ya!